children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. We have read chapter 7, Who Will Play With Me, in the previous online class. Today, in this class, we will do activities and question answers. Now let's start. Activity first. A. Write T for true statement and F for false statements. First, we should give up laziness. True. The peacock is free to play with the boy. False. Rohit plays with his friends in the morning. False. There are many children in the garden. False. B. Choose the correct alternative. A punctual boy does not miss his school, does not do work on time, does not misuse things, does not waste his time. A punctual boy does not waste his time. Who is not willing to work? Peacock, dog, parrot, Rohit. Rohit is not willing to work. Laziness is for us. Good, bad, useful, helpful. Laziness is bad for us. So, answer the following questions. First, why did Rohit find no friends in the garden to play with? Answer is, Rohit found no friends in the garden to play with because they had gone to school. Second, why did the birds and animals in the garden not play with Rohit? Answer is, the birds and animals in the garden did not play with Rohit because they were busy in their works. Last, in the end of the story, Rohit's parents were happy with him. Why? In the end of the story, Rohit's parents were happy with him because Rohit changed all his bad habits. He went to school and did his homework. Rohit changed all his bad habits. He went to school and did his homework. Activity second. The sentences given below have some underlined words. Fill in the blanks, choosing their opposites from the box. First, my father works in fields and my opposite of father is mother, helps him. Second, the sun rises in the morning and sets in the opposite of morning is evening. Third, in the winter season, we go to school at 9:30 a.m. and opposite of go is come. Back from there at 3:40 p.m. Fourth, parrot, crow, sparrow and horse were busy with their work, so they did not play with Rohit, who was free. Opposite of free is busy. Father, mother, morning, evening. Go, come. Free, busy. Activity third. Look at these sentences and understand the difference between them. First, I go to play in the evening. This sentence is affirmative sentence and you have to change into negative sentence. So, negative sentence is I. I is subject. Go is the first form of the verb. So, you will write here do because I include in plural. So, I do and do is used for plural. I do plus helping plus not. I do not plus first form. I do not go to play daily. Second, he learns his lessons. This sentence is affirmative sentence and you have to change into negative sentence. He learns. Learn is first form of the verb. So you will write here does. Because helping is not given in this sentence. इस sentence में आपके पास helping नहीं दी गई है. जो learn है वो verb की first form है. तो उसके according आप subject he is singular. ही किस में काउंट होता है? सिंगुलर. यदि हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है तो उसके लिए हम सिंपल सेंटेंस में वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म दी गई है तो उसके लिए हम डू या डज का यूज करेंगे. बट इन दिस सेंटेंस ही काउंट इन सिंगुलर. ही इज यूज फॉर सिंगुलर है इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे डज यूज किया. प्लस डज इज हेल्पिंग प्लस नॉट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. जब हम डज यूज करते हैं तो वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म में एस या एस होता है उसको क्रॉस कर दिया जाता है. सो वी विल राइट हियर ही इज सब्जेक्ट, डज इज हेल्पिंग, नॉट हेल्पिंग प्लस नॉट plus first form of the verb. Learned his lessons. Next, we go to school regularly. This sentence is also affirmative sentence. In the same way, we subject, go is the first form of the verb. So you will write here do. Helping plus not. Not कभी single use नहीं होता है. Helping plus not will come. We is count is plural. Plural है. If your subject is plural, you will write use do. And if your subject is singular, you will write does. We do not go to school regularly. Now see here, change into negative. Affirmative, you have to change affirmative sentence into negative sentence. If main first form of the main verb is given in affirmative sentence, you will write here do not. If first form plus SAES is given in the sentence, you will write here does not. Now see example first. The boy meets a dog. Meets is the main verb first form plus S otherwise ES. So you will write here does. The boy does not meet a dog. Second, we play in the evening. Second, we play in the evening every day. Negative sentence. We play is the first form. Main verb first form is given in affirmative sentence. You will write here does not as a helping plus not. We do not play in the evening every day. Number third, Mohan does his homework daily. Mohan does. Does is the main verb. So does is given. So you will write here main verb first form plus S given in affirmative sentence. You will use does not. Mohan does not do his homework daily. Now activity 5. Write a paragraph about your daily routine. My name is, जो भी आपका name है, you will write your name. I read in class 5th. I get up at 5:30 a.m. I wash my face with cold water to be fresh. जो आपका डेली का रूटीन है, आप अपने मॉर्निंग में उठने के बाद क्या क्या करते हैं, उस सब का यहाँ पे डिटेल आपको लिखनी है. Then I brush my teeth. I have breakfast after taking bath. I dress myself and go to school. I study different subjects in the classroom. Then I take lunch during recess. I return home in the evening. I play games with my friends. I do homework given by the teachers. I watch TV for half an hour after having supper. Supper means dinner. Before going to sleep, I pray to God. Now your work chapter is complete. You will read chapter and learn activities and do your work. And we will meet in the next online class. Bye. Thank you.